Hello everyone, welcome, good Friday! Boom, boom, boom. This week, well, it's been going great, hasn't it? Alright, let's go.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hello everyone, hopefully you have a fantastic Friday or holiday or whatever it is for you. We're gonna go through some different things today. I think we're gonna go through some let's see if I can get that down. It's a bit high maybe, you guys. There was on, I think it was a Wednesday. No, it wasn't Wednesday. Was it Wednesday? Tuesday. Monday stream. No, Monday. I mentioned some $50 in the Discord, and today we're gonna draw. We're gonna give you the winners. So only 10 people signed up. Cool. Okay. And it took, I don't know how many hours was it up. Many hours. So I believe you should have enough time if you are active in Discord. Malindi, Kenya. Karibu sana. Megawara, Eddie, Tej. Tej, good morning. Welcome back, Tej. I thought you were having a holiday, but okay, cool. I can live with that. And when it comes to regards to our trading plans this week, it's, you know, I can go through some of them, you know, that was made on Monday. The thing is about my trading plans this week was that I never posted them. No, I never altered them for Mondays. You know, it's Monday only. And I think that's a good trade here. You know, almost went up to where I thought it would go to, up to 100.20. Okay, not that much, but fair enough. Pound yen, absolutely smack on. Boom. New Zealand dollar, boom. Also, holy schnickersnackers, people! This is fantastic. Look at that price, 68.98, and then bang on. Can't do it better, bro. Can't do it better. Can't do it better. Also, yen didn't go so well. I acknowledge that. That bent over. There's definitely a buy here. There's definitely a buy here. Went a bit lower. Okay. Sorry. Euro yen. Nah. As a B trade. Okay, didn't go that well. New Zealand CAD, another one that you should have profits on. 86.65. I haven't done all the calculations of how much pips you have done this week, but it should be a good week for you, generally speaking. So, you know, just mentioning that to everyone, you know, that should be a good week. And if it wasn't a good week, like this pound dollar thing happening, or if you, let's see, take that away, or if you were with me on S&P 500, didn't go so well. So, you know, there's a couple of different things, you know, ups and downs. It doesn't always go straight forward. But yeah, I think that's been a good week. I think we all need a boom on that. So, PO Venture says Eurozzy. Okay, cool. We can do Eurozzy. Manny says, hello, Evan. Are you anxious, Manny? Are you anxious? Are you like, oh, I can't wait. Hi, Eivindfx from Somalia. Yeah, cool. That's a good one. Just an eye too much, but that's okay. That's cool. Now, okay. So where are we right now on dollar? I'm gonna take down. Is the music too high? Is it just my ears? Probably just my ears. Oh, my hair. Wow. Maybe I don't know. Does anyone know a good hairdresser in Kenya? Look at this. It looks like a what do you call it? Wait. Skogstroll, I think it's called in Norwegian. Nah, it's not that one. No, I don't look like that guy though. I wasn't there. That was not what I was thinking about. But I was more like or that guy. I'm not there. I'm not looking like that. This guy. Let me move my face. I don't look like that guy, but I was thinking about this guy. I felt like this guy, you know? But anyways, so back to good morning from Missouri. Welcome. Missouri? That's not Josh. Josh, you have a new friend here. Welcome. No, is he I think Josh is from Missouri, living in Illinois. But anyways, good to have you there, bro. Happy to have you. So right now, the outlook for this week was dollar strength. The outlook for last week was dollar strength. Now, if anyone is like, well, how's that really going? How's that going, Ivan? Somebody told me, maybe it hurt. I was a bit hurt. I guess I was a bit hurt since I'm still mentioning it. But somebody said that my analysis wasn't on point. And I'm like, really? Is that true? So I started going through some charts, and I'm like, I'm 100% here on dollar. Sorry. If that hurt you. But where do we go now? I think we're still going to go a bit higher. I think that why is gold not moving? It's out of two options. Either it's lack of volatility, lack of liquidity, sorry, or market is closed. It is Good Friday today. It is supposed to be closed. And the reason why we're here today is because I promised someone $50. And, going through the markets, what's really happening. There's no really new things. That is, there's no events today, per se. But the reason why I'm here is there's always something to learn. For me and from you. Now, also to manifest whatever we're doing, right? Whatever we're doing at the moment, we're still on the right path. Hello, William. So if you are like, how am I really doing? Because I today went on A1 Trading and I went through some trading statements. Actually, not pretty well. Actually, pretty bad. And I was pleasantly surprised. And the outcome of that is basically people are a bit too aggressive. They're a bit too hard on the gas pedal. Acceleration pedal. Not too much, not too bad, But I think that what we need to do. Woo, okay, sorry, people. What we need to do is just to manifest that we are going to get trade setups again and again and again and again and again and again. Denise, how are you? How is it going, Denise? Are you well? Happy Easter. Sorry. So right now that's kind of that one, S&P 500 closed on a quadruple. Is it quadruple? Quadruple bottom to yesterday. Now, that's an interesting thing. What has happened over the past 24 hours is that a warship probably in the sea between the Ukraine and Russia has sunken. Now, that, people, isn't really that big of a deal. But what is really a big deal is that we need to be able to see, okay, does that have any economic impact? Probably not. Putin's a bit angry. But also we need to see if, Mr. Holzman has said we need 50 basis points raise in the fall. That's not bearish, people, on the euro. See? We'll learn something new. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, Ajit. China cuts reserves requirement ratio by 25% for some banks. Okay. What does that mean? that means that the market will have more liquidity. Maybe China's going to go back up again. But other than that, but also the what do you call it? The Russia threatening Finland and Sweden because they want to join NATO as well is really interesting. And how is that going to? The thing is, that is directly risk sentiment that me and you are. I'm just gonna read something here, people. Jason, I will answer you soon. Hi, Denise. I'm sorry, Denise. I truly am. I really hope that you will be successful to find a new job. And I hope that is a job that you would like to have and would thrive in. Yeah, I know you're also worked in a company for quite some time, so you have some seniority and you also were promoted. So I really hope that there's somebody out there that sees your value. But yeah, hard times comes, hard times pass, and I just pray that it will go faster. It will go over soon. But yeah, we're here for you, Denise. So thank you for passing by. USDN, why is USDN high? Because yen is weak, because the Japanese economy is doing very poorly. Because they are doing a lot of bond purchases. So that is helping the economy. And dollar is very strong because they're increasing interest rates. So it's a very big divergence in monetary policy between America and Japan, and that's kind of why USDN is so high. And is it going to continue? That's the question. Now, if you see on the news of I don't know, any kind of, what can I say? Any kind of events where we're gonna have war, or there's gonna be shutdown of oil from Russia, that's really going to be a bad thing for the market. I will look at that a bit. Stock market in Asia fell after China unexpectedly decided to not cut a key policy rate to support the economy. Okay, equities fell on the mainland as well as in Japan and South Korea, which were among the few markets open on Friday due to the Easter holiday. Nah, I was supposed to read it. Now, stocks are falling because of accelerating inflation and aggressive monetary tightening. Treasuries fell also on Thursday, weighing down by high import prices to America. So, the question becomes, from economic growth, where is the tipping point? Where is what is it, cost per unit? Is it CPU? Cost per unit is so high that it is no longer profitable. So that is, so this is probably costs and this is probably income. I guess we'll just make a line there. And this is the income they make. At some point, it will no longer be profitable for a business to continue producing because they lose money by producing. Now, that CPU cost can be what? Input. It can be financing. Finance. It can be financing like loans. It can be cost per unit, like the cost of the units. It can be It can be oil, like fuel. It can be property taxes. Anything that goes into costs for a business, either sunken costs, or which is basically buying the property or the building, or other costs that is variable for every unit produced. And that, my friend, is a very dangerous place to be in. Okay? Just mentioning that. What is my opinion? And that is proper economic analysis that you need to do. And the problem there is, ladies and gentlemen, is that if that happens on too many businesses, then we are turning around. And that's probably where the market is now trying to price in. Are we there? Or are we not there at the moment? That's kind of what you need to be looking forward to. Okay? Usually, in your opinion, I'm long on current level. I think you are totally Ayit. That is, I'm not going to be too bad. I'm not going to put anything between. I think that is a terrible entry. If you bought 126.50, I think that's a terrible entry. I have 2k pips negative. My size is 0.7. I think it hit my stop loss soon. Jason, I would love us to have a discussion on that on Zoom, so I can more go into in depth as to what your situation is. It's very difficult for me here on YouTube live stream to talk about why you have 12,000 in negative, but something has gone wrong. It doesn't matter your needs. It doesn't matter. It is a terrible entry. I'm just gonna cut to the case. It's not a good entry. No matter how you flip the chart, even upside down would still be a very bad buy entry. The support that you're supposed to look forward to is at 125. That's 150 pips down, or 100 pips down at least, before you can start buying anything. So also you are above the weekly target, which in some cases isn't too bad, but even the daily buy price, which is very aggressive, is 125.66. That is 90 pips down. So buying at current level is totally out of shape. The thing is, bro, I'm not going to shoot you down. I'll try not to, at least. But if you are in my company, I will just send you home today. It's unacceptable to buy current level. It's a higher high. It's not a support. It's a million reasons for why it's FOMO. And what if you come down to 125.60? Are you going to buy it then? But you already have a loss up there. So yeah, no, I can't accept that. Maya says 14k, I have 2k left. Okay, so Jason, what you need to do is go to Discord, and you look for my beautiful name. My beautiful name is probably here, and I look like this guy, and then you send me a message, and then we can set up a meeting next week or something like that, because the market's going to close on the weekend anyways. And we need to we have something serious to discuss, because what I'm thinking of right now with yours is that you haven't taken a stop loss. You have a broken strategy / risk management / there is something more as to why you have 14,000 in loss, other than your lot size being too big, or you're holding on for your trades for too long, but also people, the thing is, if you have 14,000 in loss on your account, it doesn't matter. Well, it doesn't matter if it's 1 million, if it's 2 million. It matters if you have 20,000. It matters if you have only 10,000 in your account. So it's all relative to your account size, and no need to tell me your account size. That's not the space to tell it here. But my point is that 14,000 loss doesn't really make any sense to me. Okay. No, but the thing is, Mr. Kirklands, me and Ajit is, I don't know, maybe Ajit's never coming back here. I apologize for that, but Ajit knows, or should know, will know at least now, that I mean nothing else than love. That I mean nothing else than that I want him to do better, and that I want to do nothing else than helping him becoming a better trader. If he did that on real account, he's gonna have losses. It's okay on demo, but still, it doesn't. You don't lose money on demo, but it's still completely broken strategy. And we need to fix that immediately so we can do better for the future. And I'm trying to save you a trading career. That's all, bro. And if that means that I need to fire you for a day, send you home, give you some chocolate, put you into a pool, and make you drink cocktails or cola or whatever it needs to be done for you to clean out your head, sure, I'll pay for it. You will be on the business. You will get a free vacation, and you can sit by the pool. You can do whatever you want by the pool, but you're not allowed to trade. Grow in muds. Why is pip spread so high today? Lack of liquidity, because people are not really at the charts. And the thing is here, people, I might not be for everyone. My strategy might be not for everyone. But what I do have for everyone is love, as long as you treat me with respect, and I will be a friend forever. You know, it doesn't matter if you are Indian, Chinese, Mongolian, Australian, American, British, Kenyan. What is the other? What is it called there? From there, Soweto. If I'm Soweto, Namibian, Ghanaian, Nigerian. But the day you start disrespecting me, you're out, bro. But yeah, Jason. Yeah, also you can say whatever you want where the price should go, Jason. But you shouldn't. Okay, so Okay, the other question, though, that I have for you, Jason, that I'm not going to tell you what to do, but I'm going to say one thing here. Okay? I know it's difficult. But you can work on $2,000, or whatever, 2,000, whatever that currency is. Let's say it's $2,000. You can work with $2,000 and rebuild that account. If it goes to 14,000, that's a zero on your account. Do you have any money left to work on that? And I believe USDN is going to go higher. Now, you can hope for it will go lower and it will save you. But then you're based upon luck. And based upon luck in the market is a very... It's going to blow your account in the end. Either today or next month. So for me and you, Jason, the reason why I talk to you on a Zoom meeting is because, with me and you only, is because I see that you are holding on to your losses. I see that too many times that people do that because they want to recover. What they only end up doing is losing more. And that's how you kill your career. I'm sorry, Bear. I'm sorry. Tech says, I haven't entered any of your daily entry. Price doesn't touch the level you gave. Okay. I'm sorry, bro. What do you mean? What do you mean, bro? So it didn't... What do you mean, bro? Well, not from yesterday. But during this week, as far as I know. Okay. So here, I think that's a clear touch, by the way, but okay. Don't mind me. I think that's a clear touch there. I don't know. Don't mind me. I think that's a clear touch there. Don't mind me. I think that's a clear touch there. Don't mind me. New Zealand CAD. I think that's a clear touch. Don't mind me. Euro dollar. Didn't. I agree, euro didn't. I agree. That's okay. Pound. Didn't. Okay. I agree. But other than that, and then here we have Mike. What's it called? No, Chris. Sorry. Sold euro dollar yesterday. Okay, cool. Good for him. Lovely to see the profits. But it's tried to sell it here though. Fair enough. Sold it again. Never gave up. Cool. Not that I did it myself, but Mike did it. So that's up to him. So for CAD yen in particular, people, it didn't come down to 99.20 for today, I think it is. But that's for next week. So you still have, what do you call it? You still have plenty of time on Tuesday to go down to that price and then go back up again. So if it hasn't done it yet, like, why are we stressed about it yet so far? That's all. But tech, we can still talk about it. So yeah, and I will go through the video as to what I said on CAD yen, but I believe that is a pullback you want to see, and it hasn't happened yet. Well, I can't control the market where it's gonna go. I can only control where I want to buy. Okay. So, Mr. Let's do something here. Okay? Is that somebody else being live now? Nah, nobody else. Okay, cool. Now we are alone then. You go to Eivindfx. And you go to, I don't know, what can I even do? Strategy maybe? Let's see. Eivind strategy, public, pivot point, 7,000 views. Okay, cool. Fair enough. Let's see what we can do here. This video, okay. So, here is your rules. Identify this if you're about to buy. Identify seller's taking profit. Identify psychological level. Identify the reversal pattern. Identify higher highs and higher lows. Okay? Fair enough. And it looks like this on the pivot points. You buy at M2, take profit at M4. If you want to be a bit more aggressive, central pivot, and then going up to R2. Those are your rules. Now go to that market that I just talked about. Okay, cool. Go to daily. And here you're gonna have a lot of options. Okay, cool. So I said you buy in that level, you buy in that level, you buy in that level. How do I know why you should buy there? It's because you have identified that sellers have gone down to 97. You have a low, you have a higher high and higher low, higher high and higher low. Cool. Now we continue. I'm gonna go through the market with you. You would have to add another buy here. There it is. That's another buy. Okay. Goes through. Okay, cool. Where is your stop loss, you might ask? 50 pips? Maybe. Still in that. And you are in that. And you're supposed to be in that too. Okay, cool. Now that's our entries. Need a higher high, need a higher high, need a higher high. There we have a higher high, cool. Then you buy it again. Same level. Price goes higher. You buy it again. Price goes range. You buy it again. You goes higher high again. You buy again. I literally don't know. I just know that that is what is happening so far. And there you go. No losses for the past 10 days on Cadian. Hey, R. So, Ajit, you don't know what you should do, right? All of it is how everything is lined up here. The other one is I have my dream trades here. You can take a photo of that. You need the opposite to take profit. You need a round number psychological level. You need a reversal pattern, higher high and higher low as a buyer. As a seller, do I have added as a seller? I haven't added sellers, okay? On the flip side of it, let's go to the same thing. Where is it? And all the rules are here. Okay, yet again, sellers, identify taking profit for buyers, identify a reversal pattern, identify a lower low. So here we have buyers taking profit, we have a double top, we have a lower low, we have a psychological level 70.73, and you sell it at M3. This week, we see that central pivot is currently at support, so we cannot use that as resistance, so then we can only use M3 as our entry for this week. As you can see, the price has come up to our M3. We will 73.20, and we will now start day trade. Set my take profit 10 pips above 71.21 just to make sure that I actually get triggered as we're coming into the So, as we what does market do? Sell for tomorrow. In this week, M1 for the week. Oops, I see. So there we are. There we go. Is that difficult? And what do you do in this market is, okay, now you practice until you get it. When you did that setup on Discord, why didn't I see that before? Because it's coming from the daily setup on Monday. And that's why you're looking at the daily setup as you are a member of. But, sure. So where was it posted? Let's see if I can find it faster than lightning. Daily setups. That was on Monday, and Monday is 11th, I think. Yeah. Okay. Preview. Let's see if we can play it. And then we go through what? Cadian? S&P, Aussie dollar, euro dollar, pound yen. I wouldn't dare to try to buy it. USD CAD, unbelievably going hard. Probably dollar strength more than anything else. And I don't really have anything. And I guess anywhere between now and 98, also 99. So I said that in the daily setups. Okay? Fair enough, bro, right? That's pretty straightforward. And what happened then in real life? Well, that was there. And boom. I'm sorry that I'm not that that I didn't post it on Discord. I will review everything I do over Easter. You will see a renewed thing on Tuesday, sorry, as to how I act, what I say, what I do, and what I not do. Okay? So, if you're frustrated with me, cool, that's okay. But I think that you're allowed to. You're allowed to. But I also think that you're also allowed to say that in my Discord, in my private Discord. Sorry, in my DMs. Fair enough, that too. And we can have a discussion about it there, as to what should I do differently. Okay. And why didn't I put this up on Discord? Because exhaustion. And I apologize for being so exhausted, because I work 7 days a week, no vacation for the past 3 years. But I will do something about it next week. So by next week, you will see, well, there's not going to be any setups until that time anyways. You're going to see a different human being. Is that okay? Can I ask for permission to? Is that okay deal with you? But if you have anything you want me to cover, trade setups, that I should post, then speak up. Right? But until you say something, I don't know that you feel that way, I can't do anything about something that I don't know about. Okay? Hi, Freddy! How's Germany going? Tech bow. It was a question for you, or a deal with you. Sorry if it's too low though. Well, I took it down though, so you don't get your ears popped out. Grow small accounts. I buy between PP and M2. Sorry, M2. Target M4. And I sell between central pivot and M3 and target M1, depending on my direction of the week. Okay? Fair enough? Good enough? Somebody asked for talked about USSWC. Bought USSWC at 93.4. Okay. 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 But I think should hold my position. I can't tell you what to do, bro, but I can tell you one thing for sure, is that you're at a target for the week. No, but tag. The thing is, I'm a humble person. I'm not a douchebag, okay? Go to my Discord. Send me a DM of all your concerns and on all the troubles you have with me, so I can take it into my how to become a better trader. No, how to become a better tutor, I guess. And what I can do differently. And then I will try to implement them as much as I can, okay? Like Tage has also gone into my DMs, okay? And we'll take it there. And I do apologize, but I'm also just a human being. Okay. So the question is, are we going to go higher on USDN? I will then first of all look at Euro Swissy. Euro Swissy is where? Okay. Yeah, also, the rules are you should get out there. That's as clear as a day. Anything above that is a bit too much. The other question is, will price go up to 95? I will do two things then. I will have two orders here, 2x, I will 1 TP here on the weekly. 1x TP weekly. And I will take 1x TP on monthly. So that I never wonder if I should take profit or not. I just know if I should take profit. Okay? And we should do gold now. So I earlier today was in a Zoom meeting. I'm not going to tell who it is or whatever happened there. But somebody bought here. Sorry. Somewhere around here. Somewhere around 46, I think it was. Somewhere around there. And somewhere around there, give or take. And the person sold somewhere around here. And I just want to say publicly to this person, if you bought here, and I think the worst part is you got at a break even, or you got no monetary gains from it. I just want to say, please, if you trade gold, you need to have a big enough account size to hold through, because this is perfect. This is great. Market rewarded you greatly. Okay? I do not understand this sell. Why you sold all of a sudden. I don't understand that. Because gold at that point wasn't bearish. It was around here. And that low hadn't happened yet. And I would love for you to either have better patience, bigger account, or you don't trade gold at all, because you technically can trade. So you can get the rewards you're supposed to have. So I bleed for you. I feel sorry for you that you didn't hold longer. Maybe you are a scalper, but your biggest trade on gold was a loss there, as far as I know. That was way more than your break-even gains. So either this person has too little account, doesn't have the patience, too afraid, or is scalping and it didn't go through at that specific moment. But I would love to see you coming in and say, hey, I got this. I believe in it. I believe in gold going higher. And I will have my stop loss below previous low. And my account can tolerate that. And if it can't tolerate that, then I shouldn't. Then your circuit breaker should say I shouldn't trade it. And many more of you should have more circuit breakers. I don't. Have you tried to trade pound yen, Aussie yen, euro yen as one chart? Yeah, so that's kind of what I do, though. I trade the yen pairs in total and as much as I can. But yeah. Mohammed says I placed a buy at 1895 and got out at 1975. Good on you. Okay. For those who are part of the $50 that I was supposed to do today, or yesterday or today, so I'm going to do today. I have put in your Discord names, no, not your actual names. So your Discord names is the one that is going to be on the loop, and you have 48 hours to get to me. Okay, or to collect the price, I guess. But say that you want it, kind of a thing. Still want it. So this is all the names that I have collected. This was available in the, what do you call it? It was available in the in Discord on Monday. No longer available. And today, 50 goes to who? Manny. Alex. Congratulations, mate. That's for you, mate. Congrats, mate. And I know how to find Alex anyways. So, that's coming your way. Hello, JT. I don't think Alex is here though, but I will just tell him. Congratulations, Alex. I don't know if you needed it, but you're welcome. It's free. I will probably do this. Every week. So yeah, I think every week, and then we shall see. So it was 10 entries. That's okay. I think that's okay. And not too bad. Not too bad. But I think there is more potential. But as well. Alright, people. That's enough babbling around from me. I will probably post a weekly forecast at some point in life. I don't know when and where. Keep your eyes open in Discord. If you have something that you want me to improve on, now is the time to go to my DMs and tell me. And but yeah, do it respectfully. That's all. Okay? Have a great day. Boom. That's all.